Hello everyone, this is Funny. You are watching Funny HS Info. Today I am going to talk about orifice plates for flow measurement and flow restriction. Orifice plates are one of the most popular devices for the measurement and control of fluid flow. In flow control applications, orifice plates are used as restriction devices to regulate fluid flow or to reduce flowing pressure downstream of the orifice plate. Parts or assembling of orifice. There are mainly four parts: orifice plate, hole in plate, tappings, and orifice flange. First one, orifice plate. The orifice plate is a metal disc with a concentric hole in it, which is inserted into a pipe carrying the flowing fluid and available in a wide range of sizes. Hole in plate. The small hole on orifice plate restricts flow, which causes the pressure to drop. Tappings. An orifice that uses pressure taps integral to the flange is said to have a flange tap. And last one, orifice flange. Orifice plates are normally mounted between a set of orifice flanges, and orifice flanges differ from normal flanges in that they have an integral pipe tap and jock screw point. Types of orifice. There are two types: orifice plate and restriction orifice. An orifice plate used to measure flow, while restriction orifice is used to drop the upstream pressure of a system. It is similar to orifice plate but is thicker. While passing the fluid through thick plate, energy is lost in friction and heat, resulting considerable pressure drop. Types of orifice plates. There are 5 types of orifice plates: concentric orifice plate, eccentric orifice plate, segmental orifice plate, quadrant edge bore, and ring type joint. First one, concentric orifice. The most common orifice plate is the square-edged concentric bore design. It is used on most processes including clean liquids, gases, and steam flow, and not recommended for use of slurries. It is usually made of stainless steel, other materials like nickel, and are used for good corrosive resistance properly. Eccentric orifice. Eccentric bore orifice plates are plates with the orifice off center as opposite to the concentric. Eccentrics are used for liquids that contain gases or solids. Location of the bore prevents accumulation of solid materials or foreign particles and makes it useful for measuring fluids containing suspended solid particles. Third one, segmental orifice. The segmentally bored orifice plates contain a hole that is in segment of concentric circle. Like the eccentric orifice plate design, the segmental hole should be offset downwards in gas flow applications. Segmental bores are generally used for measuring liquids or gases which carry non-abrasive impurities such as sewage treatment, steel, chemical, water conditioning, paper, and petrochemical industries. Quadrant edge bore. The quadrant edge bore is an orifice with the inlet edge rounded. The upstream side of the bore is shaped like a flow nozzle, while the downstream side acts as a sharp edge orifice plate. This design is recommended to measure the flow of high viscosity fluid such as heavy crudes, syrups, and slurries. And last one, ring joint type. The ring joint type orifice plates incorporates an essential gasket for mounting between ring type joint flanges. It is based on the proven technology, has no moving parts, and is suitable for high temperature and pressure applications. Orifice plates are recommended for clean liquids, gases, and low velocity steam flows. The standards of orifice plates. The tolerance and use of orifice plates are detailed in these following standards: ISO 5167-2, measurement of fluid flow by means of pressure differential devices inserted in a circular cross section, conducts running full. ASME MFC3M, measurement of fluid flow in pipes using orifice nozzle and venturis. And AGA report number 3 part 2, orifice metering of natural gas and other related hydrocarbon fluids, concentric square edge orifice meters, specification and installation requirements. This is about orifice plates. Thanks for watching and please subscribe and share my videos. Have a safe day.